Hey you guys, how are you all guys doing? I welcome you all to my another study vlog, and yes, I am here before my political science exam, and of course here are with me my both the books, and I am just going to study them after a while of introduction. So yes, how are you all guys doing? Hope you all guys are studying well and hoping for good marks in your exams. So just don't hope, work hard so that you can achieve your dreams. So yes, with this good thought here, I am here with my both the books, and yes, today I am going to study them. मतलब that's simple. And for the previous days I had not paid any attention towards the subject cause it's a simple subject. So I just want to clear the doubt of many of the people that art is not so simple as they think. So yes, if you want to score high on the subject, you have to surely study hard. Means if you are just paying this much attention towards the subject, you are not going to score high. And if you want to score high, you have to just raise your attention level and also your focus and study levels. So yeah, do tell your friends that it is not so easy, and also there is nothing like story in the subject. So yes, you have to just remember all the things, all the dates, all the you can say many people think that arts is all about dates. So I just want to clear that it's not about dates, because there is no question of dates in the exam. So yes, I don't know for political science, but in history there are 1, 2, or 3 questions. So yes, I just want to clear it. I think that a myth that it is not a simple subject. So if you guys are thinking that arts वाले तो कुछ होते ही नहीं, तो ये अपना डाउट क्लियर कर दो, क्योंकि देखो जैसे साइंस और आर्ट्स में कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है, वैसे तीनों स्ट्रीम्स आर डिफरेंट. सो देर इज़ नो कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द थ्री. एंड इफ़ यू आई बेट you if you just study before 1, 2 days for scoring better in arts, then you are surely going to fail, because the words don't come in your mind at the time of exam while writing. So yes, you can say that मतलब समझ गए होंगे कि आर्ट्स कितना मुश्किल हैगा. सो यही सोचते सोचते मैंने जो है पिछले कुछ दिनों में अपनी ये वाली बुक जो है कंप्लीट कर ली. So yes, you can say that I have completed this one book, and today we have to do the second one. And I am going to prefer Moin sir for my studies, cause he just, you can see, a good teacher in political science. And previously I had started from studying from a female teacher of the same channel, and yes, I found a little bit difference in both the teachers. So yes, there is no comparison of our Moin sir on YouTube at this time. So I am just going to watch the full length, you can say one short. So Pole Science Class 12. Yes, I am going to just start from the one shots of 5 hour 41 minutes. And watching one shot is quite easy, that's why I prefer it, cause separating watching a single chapter is so quite good length. It will take good length, and also you can say successfully waste a lot of time of me. So I'm just going to watch the one shots, and after all, Moin Sir Shintabad. And moreover, after watching the one shots, I am going to self-study the chapters, cause for making good answers in the exam with good flowcharts, it is quite necessary to you can say read the chapters all by oneself. So yes, after watching the one shot, our whole you can say work from the laptop will be over, and after that we'll be only practicing the book again and again, so that I can make good answers in the exam. And yes, I am hoping for 90% plus. So yes, let's see what happens. And I just got a view of my hand gripper, and I had just started to do these cause my hands are quite thin. And what God knows what came in my mind, and after that I started to do it like this for from the thumb. And cause of that my thumbs are quite you can say hurting from previous days. And कोई पता नहीं क्या हो गया, बहुत दर्द हो रहे, वही हिल भी नहीं रही. सो फालतू एक्सपेरिमेंट में करते रहता हूँ ऐसे अपने ऊपर. ये छोड़ो, मैंने कुछ अपने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस निकाले थे, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस इस वाले में से। और एक सरप्राइज़ की बात बताऊं तो इंग्लिश के एग्ज़ाम में कहाँ गया पेपर, इंग्लिश के पेपर में मेरे 5 नंबर के क्वेश्चंस गलत हो गए। सो अब क्या बोल सकते भाई, अब हम लोग अपने 95 में से स्कोर करने वाले हैं। सो अब यार मतलब 95% का मेरा एम था कि सारे एमसीक्यू सही हो जाएंगे, क्वेश्चन आंसर में करते करते 5 कट जाएंगे और 95 बन जाएंगे, बट 5 तो एमसीक्यू ही गलत हो गए। सो यार क्या कर सकते हैं, अब पॉलिटिकल पे ध्यान देते हैं। ये अपना 25वां का क्वेश्चन पेपर, और इसको भी साइड में फेंक दो क्योंकि मैंने सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं किया है तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है उसको देखने का। और यस, ओबियसली कहाँ गलत हुए हैं, सेक्शन ए में, सेक्शन ए में गलत हो गई। और जो लिटरेचर वाला था उसमें भी एक क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया और सेक्शन बी में पिल गई। सो अपने 5 कट चुके हैं, अब 95 में से नंबर आएंगे। और मैंने ओबियसली लेटर और नोटिस में बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स कर दी जो कि मैंने घर आके ध्यान दी, एड्रेस लिखना ही भूल गया। सो देखते हैं क्या होता है पेपर में। और मतलब यार रात गई तो बात गई, यही बोल लो। अभी पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, चलो नेक्स्ट पेपर का।
Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying